Point 4 of your book is about the first government of PP, Partido Popular. You remember after the elections, the democratic elections, the first democratic elections in Spain after the transition process, the first democratic party that won elections was the UCD. It was a center party, not left, not right, always in the middle. And then next governments were led by the PSOE. Now we are starting a new period when the Conservative Party, the PP, won elections. That happened in 1996. This time was the first time a Conservative Party won elections after PSOE, led by José María Aznar. This first time for PP was a victory without absolute majority. In next elections in year 2000, PP will win elections again, and now with absolute majority. And it's now during this first government by Aznar, led by Aznar, it was when the compulsory military service was eliminated. Till that moment, all the Spaniards, the age of 18 years old, more or less, they joined the army and they trained for more than a year how to be a soldier. That's something that is compulsory in many states in the world. And other states that was eliminated and replaced by professional armies. This is the case of Spain. So in this time in Spain is created a professional army, and since 1997 this professional army replaced completely this compulsory military service. During this time, this government by Aznar, especially during the second government, big companies that belonged to the state were privatized and became private companies. For example, Telefónica de España became what nowadays is Movistar. So different companies that they became private companies. And finally, in 2002, Spain adopted the euro. Spain was a member of the European communities, but it maintained their own currency like every country. In Germany they had the mark, in France they had the franc, so all of them conveyed and they created one currency, common currency for all of them. That was the euro. That's the currency you know, and the currency we use nowadays.
Consumidor que en algunas ocasiones puede ser decisiva. Es importante que recuerde esto: los precios no cambian, solo cambia la moneda. Y es importante también que en los comercios den confianza a sus clientes.
In 2004, the government changed because new general elections led to the victory of PSOE again, and that is José Luis Rodríguez Zapatero, the president of the government. And this phase of socialists in power for 2 legislatures, that means 2004 and in 2008, PSOE won the elections. But during this socialist period, there started a very huge crisis. It was an international crisis that was created in the United States, started in the United States, and then spread and affected Europe, especially the south of Europe. And Spain suffered a lot of economic consequences. And then the elections will give majority to the PP. So since that moment, we are with alternating PSOE governments.